up, guys? So today we are baling our last field of rice straw for our 2024 season. Right now I'm behind the balers and the tractors and the stacker, and I'm gonna get them started, check the bale weight, check the moisture, and I thought I'd take you guys with me. So we are just pulling into the field right now. Pretty big field, so we'll be here all day. Wait for these boys to get out of my way so I can turn. Come on, guys, we're blocking the road. Let's go. There you go. Alright, pull over to the side here and hop out, and we'll get started. It's got good bale weight. Let's check the moisture on her. Oh yeah, see that? Below 15. Below 15. Below 15. That's right where we want it. Give them the thumbs up. And check this bale. Yep. Not bad. Alright, now we're gonna check the other baler. Oh yeah. It's got good weight to it. Oh, that one's reading a little high. And a little bit better. A little better. Alright, well, it's not too bad. It's pretty early. It's about 12 o'clock right now. So the heat of the day isn't even here yet. And this stuff's only going to get drier. That one's a little high. It's right on the... It's a little high. And a little high. This straw was pretty grassy, so I'm not surprised that it's testing a little high. And that one's right at 15. It's very borderline right now. I'm gonna call the boss man, see if he wants us to keep pushing through or to give it a little time. It's a pretty big field, so we're gonna be here all day. And hopefully we have no breakdowns, fingers crossed. Maybe it won't take that long, but anyways, we want anything that's below 15%. That's kind of the max moisture that we want to go to is 15. If it's anything, if it's 15 or higher, we kind of stop and just let it wait to dry some more. The reason that is because we're putting this in the barn, and once you put it all in a bale and in a big stack and in a big barn, this stuff could heat up and spoil. It's that way with the hay, and it's that way with straw. So we've got to have our moisture set. Well, we've got to have our moisture to be just right. Anything below 15 is golden. If it's like 8, 9, 10, that's like perfect. But the hard thing with rice straw is that if it's too dry, they tend to make banana bales, which when you're picking up in a stacker, it tends to bust the bale when you go to run it up the chain and everything. So rice straw is very tricky, but it makes beautiful straw, so that's why we do it. Alright, I'm gonna call the boss, and you guys can keep watching. Alright, so just talked to the boss man. Just called one of the guys on the balers. Everything checks out, so we are good to roll. Boy, we got some rain coming. Let's hope it stays south. Well, we're officially done. It is 5:16. So that took about all day. But anyways, we missed the rain, thankfully. So we were able to finish the field, and we got a lot of straw bale. So anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.